Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It is a very early morning as you can see, but I want you to view this place. It is very nice. Look the way it looks. There is a, how do you call? There is what do you call? As you can see, there is a sheep. I don't know the owner. I just see it here. This is another one. This one is in water. It is very nice. Let's enjoy the view. One of the best training in the morning is to go and train. It's very nice. This water moving on the sun very early in the morning, so it is very healthy in the morning. You swim a little bit. This is the sand. This is water. You see this small boat was inside, but they are thrown out by water. You see. This is the end for today. Thank you very much. May God bless you. Before I forget, if you are new here, kindly subscribe and like my video. Churuchi Nur, that's the name. Like and subscribe and tap the notification button so that next time I produce a video, YouTube would automatically notify you. Thank you very much. May God bless you.